Let's go, dude. Let's go. Let's go. All right, we've done that. We can get over here now and do. Dude. Oh my gosh. Why are you looking at me like that? And I just did it. And I almost. I jinxed myself! Whoa, chill, buddy. And these. Wah! Alright, perfect. I'm too pro at this game, you know what I'm saying? I need to hesitate.
Our doubts are traitors and make us lose the good we oft might win by fearing to attempt.
You shut
William
up.
Shakespeare.
Why have you done this to me? Thank you. We're back in business, baby. We're back in business. We're back in business for sure. Okay. Okay. We back. And better than ever. You know what I'm saying? Yes! Success! Okay. Watch how pro I am.
When games were new, they wanted a lot from you. Daunting you, taunting you, resetting and delaying.
How did I just...
There are no
Please,
regrets
dude.
in life, just lessons.
My regret
Jennifer
is listening to you. Jennifer Aniston? Bro, I don't want no quotes from Mrs. Friends. She's still alive. She's not supposed to have any legendary quotes, Nimrod. Let's go, dude. I'm a pro. Holy cow. Alright, this is like my 6th attempt, so if I don't get this, I swear to freak, dude. No. Okay, lower. Push away. I'm so good at this game. And then pull up. We're fine. All you have to do is this.
This is the hour of lead, remembered if outlived. As
Alright.
freezing persons
Well,
will
that's
let
gonna
the
be
storm
the
first chill,
episode.
then stupor,
And,
then
yeah.
letting go.
I'm never
Emily.
doing this again.